Coffee might not solve life's problems, but it sure as hell makes you care a whole lot less.
G'day everyone, Artist Wayne here. Ladies and gentlemen, grab your mugs and hold your beans, because today we are diving into the world of portable caffeine wizardry. And just like the millions of highly intelligent and extremely good looking people all over the globe, I love my coffee. In fact, I not only love my coffee, I need my coffee. I crave my coffee. My blood type is 90% espresso and 10% questionable decisions. Now today's mission is serious, and by serious, I mean delicious. Because today I am testing and reviewing the OUTIN Mino portable electric espresso machine, along with its tactical sidekick, the OUTIN Fino portable electric coffee grinder. And you know what this means? This means hot, fresh espresso anytime, anywhere.
Whether I'm on a cross-country caravanning adventure, no problem. Hitting the heights, climbing to the top of mountains, where the air is thin and my legs are questioning every life choice I've ever made. Or in the middle of the outback with the lads, covered in dust, dodging kangaroos and wondering why my bike weighs 90 kilos more than the brochure promised. Thanks to OUTIN, portable coffee just went from luxury item to absolute survival equipment.
So, now the real question is, can portable coffee actually compete with my cafe standards, or are we in for disappointment and emotional damage? Well, my friends, there is only one way to find out. So hit that like button, subscribe if you're caffeinated, and let's review and brew. But first, how about an unboxing?
But wait, there's more. OUTIN didn't just send me the weapons, they sent the battlefield. OUTIN silicon coffee mat, because espresso deserves a landing zone. Portable espresso? Finally, because instant coffee is a crime. Meet the OUTIN Mino, the portable espresso machine that's about to make every other coffee gadget feel insecure. This thing doesn't just make espresso, it makes espresso with attitude. But what good is espresso without fresh beans? Introducing its tactical partner, the OUTIN Fino. Electric precision grinder, stainless steel burrs, grinds beans smoother than your pickup lines. And for transport, a rugged EVA protective case, because this is more than coffee gear, this is a coffee mission. The Mino, the Fino, the mat, the case. This isn't portable coffee, this is portable power.
Time to find out if this product is as good as the hype and separate marketing from reality. Because boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Artist Wayne pressure test. Let's brew some coffee.
The OUTIN Fino coffee grinder isn't just precise, it's obsessive. Smart bean loading, fill, lock, done. With 28 grind settings, you don't just pick a grind size, you dial in your destiny. Pure, consistent espresso perfection, like it was ground by tiny caffeinated ninjas. 22.2% faster grinding. I don't know who came up with that number, but I respect the confidence. This thing grinds beans so fast, it should have a speed limit. And remember when I said fresh espresso anytime, anywhere? Well, the little Mino can brew espresso at 5,000 metres above sea level. And temperatures from a freezing -15 degrees all the way up to a stinking hot 45 degrees Celsius. Anywhere actually means anywhere. Mountains, snow, desert heat. The OUTIN Mino just doesn't care because it handles it with ease. It's splash resistant, water resistant and dust resistant. Perfect for the bush, the trails, the shed, the caravan or anywhere coffee and chaos collide. Small enough to fit in your pocket, with enough battery power to last as long as your adventure. The OUTIN Mino brews the perfect, rich crema espresso every time. No excuses, no drama, just flavour. Whether you're entertaining friends and delighting them with a famous artist Wayne traditional avocado dessert, you know, the kind that turns grown adults into giggling children. Or whether you're down the beach at sunrise, dog by your side, waves rolling in, and the world finally slowing down long enough for you to enjoy a perfect espresso. The OUTIN Mino fits every moment. Big days, small moments, good mates, quiet mornings. It just makes life taste better.
So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The verdict is in. The OUTIN Mino portable electric espresso machine and the OUTIN Fino portable electric coffee grinder are incredible. 5 big beautiful stars from me without hesitation. If you love coffee, it's the perfect powerhouse. If you know someone who loves coffee, it's the perfect gift. Birthdays, anniversaries, and everything in between. And let's not forget, Christmas is just around the corner. I absolutely love this little setup, and honestly, so will you. So what are you waiting for? Check out the description below for discounts, links, and all that good stuff. I'm artist WAYNEDOWSENT. Thanks for watching, and cheers everyone. Oh, I love the smell of coffee in the morning.